Now this is a Thai curry recipe you need to try. So quick, so easy, but packed full of flavour, and you can feed your family with it for under 12 quid. Fry off the peppers for a minute or so. And then in goes our M&S Thai curry shot, the ultimate hack to transform your curries at home. Then we pour in our creamy coconut milk. We want to bring it to the boil, and I tell you what, that already smells so aromatic, fragrant, delicious. Now it's in with our sugar snap peas, our M&S responsibly sourced Honduran prawns. Simmer that away just for 4 or 5 minutes until the prawns are just pink and perfectly cooked through. Now all we have to do is serve. Get me some egg noodles on there. Feed your family my aromatic Thai green prawn curry for under 12 quid, and when it tastes this good, you'd be crazy not to try it.